Perfect.
My name's Connor Dunn. It's 6 ZVX 15s, ported flat wall, top port. It's 24 cubes net, 29 gross, 4-layer baffle with spines, 234. It's built right to spec for the subs. On one of 2 Ampere 8.0 TFEs with a home-built 200 amp hour lithium bank, they're Headway cells. Last year I had 9 batteries back there that totaled 840 pounds. I wanted to save weight. That bank weighs 65 pounds, but it's as much as about 20 to 22 car batteries. There's just so much power back there. I'm running everything Skar except for like the tweets. They're Skar FSX 6.5s. There's 12 of them. I'm a little bit down on power. They're 1300.2s. I only have 1 in, and then a little RP 150x4 for the 6 tweets. Running fully active off an 80 that isn't broken. Did the fur because of barn ape. Wanted to be different. It's interesting. I did that just so people just get a kick out of it. I'm running with this. 3rd year I've had the fur in here. All right, well, if you're ready to hear it, here we go.
I can make the podcast good for a weekend. Like a daydream.
I like that. Oh God, you heard him. Hit him with the high note. Usually the last words that I want to hear, because those upper notes really hurt sometimes. But I can't be the only one that gets smashed apart over here. This next song was right at that level where it was almost too much, but still enjoyable. But let me know in the comments what your threshold is at maximum volume. Do you have a certain frequency that's just absolutely killer? Mine is pretty much what this next one gave me. Let me know in the comments. To be like, yeah, you got that feeling, but anymore it's like, nah.
They need more power, they don't even get warm. What's going on, guys? This is Mark with DB Designs. This is our build that we did for Niche. It's running 18 of the 12-inch DB3 12s. It's running on 6 of the Apolcoyse 1100.8s. One of the coolest features of this vehicle is that we integrated the rear AC to cool the amps. We actually 3D printed an adapter plate. The doors, we have 10 MX80s, as well as 5 Deaf Bonce tweeters and 4 of the Crescendo horns. Those are ran on 2 Apolcoyse 2800.1s and Apolcoyse 150.4. We've got Limitless lithium, a 60 amp hour, 80 amp hour, and 100 amp hour. This build is a little bit unique in that not only integrated trim panels, wrap trim panels, panels. We also have an LED light show we integrated with it. We're actually running 4 of the Singer 370s. We actually have plans to move the coolant tank and add 4 more on the other side of the motor. We're running 6 runs of 2-aught from front to back, and then 1 2-aught run per alt. Eventually, like I said, we'll have 8 alts up there, all Singer 370s. It takes power to make power, so with multiple 370 amp alternators, we'll be able to keep the lithium banks charged. With that being said, let's get a demo.
Oh, we'll get a demo, all right, and something totally unexpected happened right in the middle of it. I didn't notice a thing until editing this video, but it stuck out like a sore thumb. I cannot believe I didn't notice this while I was getting the demo. Let's take a look, shall we? And sparks are a-flying, oh crap, but honestly, you would have never even known something was the matter, stupid bug in my face, because the system just kept right on playing, all bass, no problem. So what do you guys think caused the sub to spark? Made it through the rest of the song with no more sparks, thank God. It's funny how all that stuff works sometimes because subs see some crazy abuse on the daily, so when a fireworks show of all things doesn't bring down the house, that's a win in my book. So if you're looking for a great place to go shopping for car audio, remember to check out Showtime Electronics. Brands like Deaf Bonce and many more are always freshly stocked and ready to go because every day is showtime. So let's hop back in the ride and resume that beautiful bean footage. Yes, more crazy bass served up just how I like it, loud and proud. This build was so clean. I love the extra details that he adds to make it look real nice. Everybody who sits in there ends up having a huge smile on their face, and that's a huge part of this for me. Just seeing the fruits of my labor make people happy. That alone is worth its weight in gold. So now let's throw it back to another burger build from 2016, 2 years prior to this one. Yeah, we've got a ton of EXO archive footage to go through. So let's go ahead and check out the Quad Father. This is from Team Deadly Hertz 2016. So let's go ahead and check out his awesome system. Oh, Moses. I love the theme. I love it. The man himself coming in nice and loud at TDH. Look at the presentation, right up there with the best of them. Check it out. I think it's DB Designs, right? David Berger. Good old Berger. Some nice pods in the dough. Man, those speakers look mean.
They get pretty loud.
Yeah, what are they?
QRV?
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. Usually they brand their stuff.
Yeah, not that model. They don't have their logo on.
Nice SMD meter. What's this for? To keep the rain out? It was flexing some rain in?
No, I'm just trying to keep it from rattling so bad.
Oh, I see.
These doors are. It's really set up for that street battle type. Like the bass and the highs just blend perfectly. It's not too much bass, not too much. I mean, it's just enough bass for the highs.
Yeah, that street battle stuff. It's more they want a well-rounded sound to be able to get the crowd like applause. You know.
Yeah.
I hear that. Because they go by how loud people react to the systems, right?
Yeah, and also just that everything's well balanced.
Hold on. So explain what the f just happened.
Somebody unplugged the strap cable off the master amp from the output to the input. And so the slave amp wasn't working.
Yeah, so technically only one amplifier was working. So let's fire up both of them for the quad father. Yeah, dude, that sounds entirely different.
Yeah. I thought he said it didn't sound as loud.
Opened right up. And can you tell me what model subs are those? You probably already told me, but I forgot already.
I think ZV4s.
ZV4s, 4 of them?
So many bills, I can't remember.
Yeah, I hear that, my man.
Hey, Eric!
It all comes mixing together at some point. ZV4s?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Well, thanks for cranking it on for me again, my man. And there we have it, guys, another triple threat bass demo right here on the EXO channels. Thanks for watching the videos, guys. I try to put a little bit of extra effort into it to make it easier for you guys to watch, make it entertaining, and just go by a little faster than just a straight 20-minute session of just distortion. So if you enjoyed the video, slap a thumbs up, consider joining the channel with subscribing to it, and as always, be sure to check out Showtime Electronics, our featured web store here on the EXO channels for all your car audio needs. So until the next video, this is EXO signing out, feeling great today. I hope you guys are too. Stay positive during all this. I will talk to you in the next video. This is EXO signing out.